This is just going to be a quick review of this XCSOURCE Pool Stick Holder. This pool cue rack, it's wall mounted. It holds 8 pool cues. Also, it holds all of your accessories, your balls, your brushes, your chalk, right, your racks. This one comes in a number of different colors. Black for $86.99 actually, and for $1 less it's the cherry, which is actually really nice. There's also a larger version you can see here. It's called the 2-in-1. So if you also have a ping pong table or a ping pong cover for your pool table, this would be a great one for you at $93.98. I bought this one yesterday. It came today, and I was able to put it together. It took about maybe a half an hour with a a screwdriver. That's really all you need. If you have a cordless screwdriver, that works great. You can see it's all wood, really nice. You can get the dimensions here. Again, came in one day, looks great, works great, highly recommended.